Okay, fine, I'm gonna end it tonight. Something toxic holding on to me for.
Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah.
So this is the finished look.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.
I don't know if my lighting is doing justice, but I'm loving this look, okay? I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also go and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave a link on my description box below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.